Welcome to another episode of Keyed In with Ryan Locksmith Games here at American Key Supply. Today's game is the Supply Chain Challenge.
Keyed In with Ryan at American Key Supply. Answer the questions, get a prize. Hurry up before you run out of time. Keyed In with Ryan at American Key Supply.
We have two teams of American Key Supply staff from different departments, and we have a team captain, one of our customer locksmiths here repping their business, yeah? So the challenge today is we're gonna travel from the placement of an order all through the different departments within the supply chain back to the locksmith. The first team to finish and fulfill the order properly wins a prize, and that is this, our gold cup, Keyed In with Ryan Locksmith Games award-winning cup filled with prizes and goodies, and our locksmith wins a leashie of their choice, any leashie they want of their choice, courtesy of American Key Supply. So now, let's meet our two teams. Our first team captain is Bruce. Bruce from Apex Car Keys and Programming here in Las Vegas. And his team, we have Ryan from Sales. We have Octavius from Picking. We have Tiffany from IC Cores. We have Dylan from Refurbs. And we have Maria from Shipping. And their team is the Freight Train. Other team, we have Al from 702 Keys and Remotes here in Las Vegas, and his team, we have Kylie from Sales, we have Tracy from Receiving, okay, but today she's a picker. We have David from IC Cores, we have Paul from Refurbs, and we have Dylan from Shipping, and their team is the SKU Crew. We will excuse our teams back to their posts, and they will wait the baton, and they're part of their job. I'll start here with just our locksmiths and our sales team. The rest of you, please go back to your stations. So we're here with our two team captains. Bruce, how do you feel about this? You feel good going in today?
Ready, okay? I am ready.
All right, and then we have Al here. Al, what's your game strategy?
Just do what I do best.
Which is?
Do what I do best.
All right, you guys, I guess we're ready. In 3, 2, 1, go!
342. I got a 10, which is 10475. Another order I got for you is going to be the Rishi, is going to be 9481. Also, I got a 2 IC cores that I need to cut for the keys. I got the bidding for you. Okay, ready?
475 and 8481. Key cuts 16, 16, 58, 78, 74, 62. 16, 16, 58, 78, 74, 62. 78, 64, 62. That's the second.
240, 647. And the other one is going to be 184, 637. And then a while back, my dog chewed up the packaging, so I need a stack as well, okay? Can I get a lime, like a salted lime nuts? Yeah, salt and lime nuts.
Just do what I do best.
Okay.
Those are 2 key cuts.
What's the snack?
Gummies. Gummies.
Let me read it back to you, okay? 475, 9481.
Double-sided and one-sided tea?
Just make sure this is the one. 9481. And then 240, 647.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, salted lime on that. Okay, I'll be here waiting. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Run, Forrest. Where's the aisles? No! Where's the aisle numbers? No. 971. Oh, excuse me.
Numbers.
They didn't write the aisles down. I know. Ah. Or the quantities. I'm on a mission.
You gotta change the battery?
Go, sir.
Help him. Yeah, he's got to get it done.
Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. You're not going to be. Got this. I smell some poo in the air. My teeth are slipping out for no reason. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Bring him out to the team. Got this. Oh. Come on, Dylan. You got this all day, all day.
You got this. You already know this.
Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Hey, Megan.
You put it back how it came. Remember how it was upside down? Don't leave it like that.
Figure it out.
Now, just for no reason. Come on, Dylan. You got this all day, all day.
You can. If that means go grab another key, then go grab another key. Yeah, you gotta solve you gotta get it to the customer. That's how we do.
Quality. It's all about quality at AKS.
Yeah.
Hey, Paul, you know I love you, right? There you go, Dylan. There you go, Dylan. Straight to Maria. Straight to Maria. There you go. There you go.
You got this. You got this.
Yes, you do.
Come on.
No pressure.
Come on.
No pressure at all.
Come on.
LEDs right now. That means the battery.
They're all salty. Lindsay, have you got it? actually the counter because you're so confused sometimes.
You got this, you got this, you got this.
No! Quick pot! Oh my god, no! I'm the pro of the team. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's ripping, it's ripping, it's ripping.
You gotta get it to go get it back to sales. Get it back. Put it in Ryan's hands.
There you go. There you go. Go, Dylan, go!
Get the package to our locksmith.
There you go. Oh, okay. Thank
All
you.
right. All right.
I love it.
Oh, blue ends. All right, we stopped this. You got here first, so we have to check everything, make sure everything works. Will you go in there and grab the tester right when you walk in?
What happened?
I hope there's no
Check. You gotta check the keys, make sure they all work, and the coolers. You gotta check the remote, make sure it works. Giving you a signal tester. Here's your tester for the remote.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Make sure the remote works, and make sure the keys open the coolers, and make sure you got the right items.
Sheesh. Why did
Oh!
You got the right snack? Hey, okay.
Tequila?
Gummy? And the key.
All right. Perfect. Oh yeah. I was looking for this. Yeah, nice. Very nice.
I got cords but no keys.
You got cords but no keys. Where's your keys?
I know where they are. Let me go get them.
No keys.
Are they in the ice
Remote works?
bags?
No.
Remote doesn't work.
Uh-oh. But it does say the bulb, but it's a little bit freaky. But is this correct? Am I supposed to be on the...
902 megahertz.
So it is working.
You're, let's see, go here, 902.
Are you supposed to pick it?
Yep, it's good. Light's going up.
Yeah.
Lights going, so check your cords and your keys.
I got no keys.
You got no keys.
Oh! Oh, this is nice.
Oh, but you
You looking
were
for these keys?
Yeah, you took my keys.
The keys open the cords, make sure. They're two different ones, so if it doesn't open one, try the other.
Alright. Yep.
Yeah.
Got 'em.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh, we missed.
Al, you don't got keys?
Not cutting. Loser. Oh, we got one that doesn't work.
Those scores?
There's two cords for those two keys, yeah.
It's the same key though, right? Same.
No, you had two different numbers. You had two
No,
different
I
cuts.
didn't.
Yeah, there were two different cuts.
No, we're gonna go.
There were two different numbers.
Where the keys?
Well, until they find the key, here.
Hey, you still won't get the keys.
You gonna fix it? She's gonna fix it.
fix it.
Racing. We gotta race to fix
Run it,
it,
baby.
And she gotta go recut the thing. The remote's good. Did you check your remote?
Let's go!
Yeah, I took my remote.
Was it tester?
Yeah, it's lighting up.
Okay.
Damn.
There's the keys. She's gotta go cut a whole new one though while you test.
Working?
One. Two.
Working. Well, it's working.
So your order's complete. Al wins. Al's team.
You crew! We the pizza guys!
The Skew crew have won it. The Skew crew have won it. Oh, we arrived. Film it, yeah.
That's okay.
We got the right key now.
Listen, I have some issues with the way the sales order was written down.
I was just told 6 numbers. Winning team. So, our winning prize goes to the Skew crew, led by Al of 702 Keys.
That's my crew.
So you guys, you get the gold cup, and you get to split all these treats, lots of little good treats. I also have one of these cool little notebooks for each and one of you. They're all sitting over there, okay? So someone take that for me. And Al, you're gonna tell your sales rep here which Lishi tool you would like, and American Key Supply will do that for you.
All right, no problem. I'm still thinking about it.
Great job today. Ready to take it home.
Don't forget Apex Locksmith. Apex Locksmith.
We only have a couple members of our losing team here, but they'll represent. What happened, you guys?
Winning, okay?
What happened?
Winning, okay.
You guys did real good. You know, the Icy Cores thing was a little fluke. They missed that there was 2 different keys.
That's okay. I think we had a bit of a miscommunication, unfortunately, but we tried our best.
And we fixed it. We got the order right. Everything's fixed. You got your order completed.
I'm always happy.
Thank you so much for participating.
Thank you. Absolutely. Thank you.
And that wraps up another episode of Keaton with Ryan Locksmith Games here at American Key Supply. We'll see you next time.
Keaton with Ryan at American Key Supply.